Good morning, everyone, and your cameras should be on.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
I hope you can read. आप सुन नहीं पाते हो, but read तो कर सकते हो ना? I think so. All of you. So start reading it. What is written over here and start doing it. Everyone. This is for everyone, each and everyone, and Alerk especially. वरना आलर्क को तुम्हें आलर्क अपना फेस दिखाना है. बेटा मुझे फैन नहीं दिखाना है, अपना फेस दिखाना है कि आप ही बैठ के कर रहे हैं या आपके पेरेंट्स बैठकर कर रहे हैं या आप सो रहे हैं आराम से. ठीक है आलर्क? वरना आप क्लास से अगर नहीं पढ़ना है तो क्लास से बाहर जाइए आप. If you don't have to study, you have to sit straight and lie down and do any of these things. Please leave the class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is the date today? 24th.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 23.
So take out, be ready with your maths notebooks, everyone. This is 4th B ना? 4th B बेटा आपको कोई reasoning period नहीं है ना special? So I'll teach you reasoning with one of the periods of maths, within the one of the periods in the maths. All right?
Ma'am, this is 4th day.
This
Yes,
is 4th.
ma'am.
अच्छा नहीं 4th A का है. Sorry, I thought this is 4th week. Sorry. 4th week का there is not there, so 4th week. You have the reasoning period, one reasoning period, right?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am. On Tuesday.
Hmm?
Ma'am, on Tuesday. Ma'am,
Hmm.
on Tuesday.
Yes, on Tuesday you have. Yeah, that means tomorrow, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, last time what we have done, let me take it out. What we have done last time. 4th
Ma'am, exercise 1.9 question number, we write the numbers. 1.9, write expansion of 7 numbers.
Hmm? I will see myself. No need to tell beta. I will see myself. I know that now I am in D group now. It's easy for me to check out what I have done. No need to tell me. Okay, we have done. Write the short forms of the same numbers, है ना? Expanded form की short form करी थी, right? Wait a minute. Second period person, fourth. Second period, fourth seat.
Good morning, ma'am. Sorry for being
Good morning,
late.
and keep your camera on. I think it's written over there, and I hope you can see from there. You have to keep your cameras on, everyone, during the whole period. All right. Okay. So let's start. Let me stop sharing the screen with you all. Very nice. I don't think so कि उनशा सुन रही है जो मैं बोल रही हूँ. अलंकृता आपके बेटा if you have network problem you can switch it off. I know अलंकृता को network issues होते हैं, so अलंकृता you can switch it off. Ehman change Ehman, let him come. Okay, today we are going to start with the place values. Place value of the underlying digits. Okay. So, okay, let me open my camera first. Look here. Place value of the underlying digits. See, if I give you any number like the number is 161, 69, 432. This is the number. See here, look here. I hope you can see me. Let me spotlight myself.
Yes, ma'am.
You can see the board?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Suppose the number
Yes,
is
ma'am.
169,432 and I asked you the place value of 1. So what is the place value of 1? If I encircle 1 and ask you what is the place value of 1?
Ma'am, lakh.
One,
Lakh.
you can say 1 lakhs also. And you can write, or you can write it in the way like 100,000. This is also correct, and this is also correct. But if I give you the same number like this, it's 169,432. What is the place value of 1 here?
Ma'am, 100. Ma'am, 100.
100? 100? No, not 100.
100,000.
100,000. 100,000. You remember the place value chart? मैं एक बार place value chart फिर से बता देती हूँ.
Yes, ma'am.
International. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000 होता है, फिर 10,000 होता है, फिर 100,000 आता है. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. This is the international place value system. और इंडियन में क्या होता है? यहाँ पर कॉमा आता है और यहाँ 100,000 नहीं आता, यहाँ पर lakh आता है. Okay, this is the difference. All right. So we are going to start with the place value system. You can write in 100,000 ko 100,000 ko you can write in this way also. 100,000. This is also correct, and if you write 100,000, that is also correct. But beta, अगर यहाँ पर number है 705,964. If I ask you 7 की place value बताओ, तो आप 7 जरूर लिखोगे. If you will not write 700,000, your answer will be wrong. 700,000. 7 you have to mention. अच्छा, one more thing which is not in your book, but still I want to tell you. बेटा पहली बात तो I want to tell to Ansh Patel and Daksh Peheljani that it is compulsory to keep your cameras on. There are so many. Unsha तो बेटा पता नहीं क्या करती है. She sleeps, I think so. She looks here and there. She sleeps. She never switches on her camera. Ahman, Daksh Peheljani, please open your cameras. Alankrita, I know she has problem in network connection. बाकी किसी को कोई network issues नहीं है, I know very well. All right, 700,000, and 700,000 can be also should be written as 700,000. 7 mention karna, it's compulsory. Acha, there is no one more thing which is not given in your book, but you should know what is it. That is place value. Place value क्या होती है कि किस place पर है? 100,000 पर है, 10,000 पर है, lakhs पर है, ones पे है, tens पर है, but face value is the number itself. 7 की face value कितनी होगी? Tell me what is the face value of 7? 7 only. Place value of 1 is 1 only. Place value of 2 is 2 only. Face value, not place value, sorry, face value. Face value कितनी होती है? जो होती है उसी को बोलते हैं face value. ठीक है? So I'm going to rub this and start doing it. Start doing the next question. ठीक है? चलो. Write the place value of the under 9 digits. Wait a second. चलो. I'm sharing my board, otherwise you will see it is coming blur. चलो. I hope you all can read it. What is written here? Yes. Unsha, can you read what is written here on the top? Unsha, can you read? Unsha, can you read the first what is written at the top? Unsha, can you read what is written at the top? Unsha, can you read? What is written at the board? Please speak, Unsha.
Camera on or else you will be removed.
What does it mean?
Ma'am, Hindi or English?
All right, ठीक है. Okay. ठीक है. Now I'm going to remove this, and we are going to start the next question now. Okay. Wait a second, everyone. Just give me a second. This is exercise 1.9. Okay. Take out your maths pair notebooks, a new page. New page or continue from the same page. Maths fair notebook. Same page you can continue because we are going to do the same exercise. Same page. Okay, same exercise 1.9.
Ma'am, again and again. On my page there is no space, so I am doing with another page.
हाँ बेटा, obviously जब पुराने वाले पे नहीं होगी आपकी तो नए वाले पे ही करोगे, है ना?
Ma'am, a new page we have to start with date.
Always yes. New क्या पर पुराने वाले पर भी you should write with the date.
Ma'am, I have written.
Okay, just give me a minute, beta. 4. This is 4B. 4B. Oh, 4B has not done this. Hello. Maths fair notebook, same page. Write question C. Find the place value of encircled digits. Find the place value of encircled digits. ठीक है? Write this first question. One. Please switch off your mic, Unsha. 143802. Here you will encircle 4. ठीक है? Like this. I will do the encircling afterwards. First, let me write all the questions, then I'll encircle it. Question number 2 is 7, 12, 539. I'll encircle it afterwards. Question 3 is 9.
Ma'am, how many are questions?
Comma.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
how many are
5.
questions?
5. Question 4 is 236752, 36, 715. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is 3289313, 28, 931. इस मस्ट वाले में आपका आएगा 7, 0, 6, 1. Okay, for example, I can tell you, you can write in both the ways. जैसे इसके सामने you can write 4 10,000s also. आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो 4 10,000s. This is also correct. Or means any one of them. Or you can write it in the way like 40,000 also. Both are correct. Start doing it. If you are facing any problem in any question, you can ask me. Comma ठीक से put करना है, okay?
Ma'am, we can write 40,000 at numbers also.
Yes. Daksh Pehjani, your camera is off. I must inform you.
And in third question, we have to only write 0.
Third question, हाँ सिर्फ 0 लिखना है. Yes. In third question, write only 0. Don't write 0 0 0 0.
Ma'am, done.
All right.
Ma'am, I am doing. Ma'am, done.
Stand it. Why are you saying done? Done. It's not needed. क्लासेस नहीं अटेंड कर रहा था.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, send it on WhatsApp.
Ma'am, I have also done.
Send it on WhatsApp.
Ma'am, I have also done. Ma'am, I am sent it. Now, next
I will
exercise.
see myself. Daksh, please be quiet.
Ma'am, done.
All right. I will see. Wait a minute. Let me take your attendance. Then I'll see. पहले मुझे attendance लेने दो. Then I'll see what you do. Nothing will be checked before attendance. And those who are switching their cameras off, their आलिर कहाँ गया? कैमरा ऑफ है ना आलिर का? ठीक है आलिर, तुम्हें तो अभी मैं बस एब्सेंट मार्क कर रही हूँ और क्लास से बाहर एब्सेंट ही मार्क करती हूँ इसको मैं. ये कैमरा ऑफ रखा है ना इसको आलिर को. He will never switch on his camera. He vowed that I will not switch on my camera ever. है ना आलिर? कैसा ही है ना? मैं भी अभी एब्सेंट मार्क करती हूँ और एब्सेंट ही I will send to your class teacher. This is class 4th A, right? 4th A. 4th A. Okay. Today is Monday. Monday 24. Okay. Adhya present. Aradhya present. Ehman was there. पता नहीं कहाँ है ये एब्सेंट मार्क करती उसका. Akshat, Alankrita present. Please switch your mic off. Nobody will switch their mic on when I'm taking the attendance. Otherwise, I will mark them absent. Alerk absent because he is not switching off on his camera. Ansh Patel present. अंशराज ने वहां पे मार्क करवाते हैं एब्सेंट और यहाँ पर वो प्रेजेंट and now he is not here. Arjun Singh present.
present.
No, you are absent because you are not switching on your camera. Your camera is always off. Sharat Praj is absent. Daksh Manya. Daksh. Alerk is absent and I'm marking you absent literally. Because you are not paying attention in the class. You are looking here and there. Praveer. Praveer is present. Riddhi Agarwal is present. Riddhi Agarwal present. Shaili Gupta absent. Siddharth is absent. Siddharth present. Tanveer present. Nisha present. Yuvraj Vedanshu not present. Raj not present. Okay, let me check your answers on the WhatsApp group now. This is 4th A. ठीक है. Mubashira is okay. First one is 40,000. Very good. Who is this? Beta, please type your name. Janvi कौन है ये? Janvi कौन है ये? Please type your name. Akshat, correct. Very good, Akshat. अक्षर तुम नए सेक्शन में आके बहुत अच्छा काम करने लगे हो. ये बेटा 0 अरसलान 000 नहीं लिखते हैं. इट शुड बी सिंपल 0. दैट्स इट. बेटा ये मान्या सबके आगे SS लगाओ. lakhs, 10,000, 6,000. Like SS you have to put. Riddhi, put the number also. Riddhi, put the number also. 7 lakhs. 6,000. अभी अरसलान बोला yes ना. अभी I told you your answers are correct. आराध्या correct. Alankrita correct बच्चे. Adhya correct.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you please see my progressing because I have a web camera and.
Beta, I'm not able to hear you properly. Come closer and then speak.
Okay.
Ansh Patel correct.
Ma'am, I have
Mubashira
a web camera, so I cannot click the photo. Ma'am, can you check
अच्छा
it?
अभी रुक कर करूंगी बेटा मैं. फर्स्ट आई एम चेकिंग दीज आंसर्स. वेट अ मिनट. बेटा ये कॉमर्स पुट करो. सिद्धार्थ, अंश पटेल, योर आंसर्स आर करेक्ट. वेरी गुड. सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला, पुट कॉमर्स आल्सो इन द आंसर्स.
Thanks,
पुट
ma'am.
कॉमर्स आल्सो सिद्धार्थ.
Okay, ma'am.
ये जानवी फिर से आंसर सेंड कर दिया. बार बार सेंड करने की क्या जरूरत है. युवराज सिंह करेक्ट. अर्जुन सिंह करेक्ट. गुड. चलो लेट मी टेल यू द आंसर्स. हाँ
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ
My mother did not know how to type name at some meeting.
Acha, okay. Now look here, everyone. See, it is 7 lakhs also correct. This answer is 7 lakhs also correct. If you are writing 7 lakhs, भी ठीक है इसका आंसर. या इसका आंसर जो है, you can write or you can write it 7 comma. कोई एक लिखना है बेटा. It's not compulsory to write both. Write only any one. इसका तो बेटा 0 ही आएगा. आप इसको you can write 0, 10,000 also and you can just write 0,000, 0 only simple. 0,000 or you can write simple 10. Isko you can write 6,000. Like this also you can write, or you can write in this way also. But put the commas like Siddharth, you have not put the commas, put the commas also. Here you can write 1 once also, and 1 1. 1 1 se likho chalo. Or you can write 1 only, simple. Check your answers quickly. I'm sharing it on WhatsApp as well as on D group. If you have not done the work, you can check from the D group as well as on the WhatsApp. If you are absent in any of the day, are you all joined on D group? Are you all joined on D group? Please join on D group. It will be helpful to you. Ask your class teacher to join you on D group. It will be helpful to you. So ask your class teacher, beta. She'll send you the link, and when you will get the link, join that group. चलो मैं send कर रही हूँ. I'm sending you.
Zoom meeting.
This is 4th A or 4th B? Oh, by mistake I sent in 4th A. Oh.
Ma'am, 4th A.
Sorry. मैंने 4th B में send कर दिया. Okay, sorry.
Now you can send.
What I can send?
In the D group.
I've shared it in D group, so you can check it from there, or I have shared it on the book group also. Okay. All right, let's start the next question. All right, let us start the next question. Okay. Now successor, as you all know, what do you mean by successor? दिखाई दे रहा है? नहीं दे रहा ना? Wait.
No, ma'am.
What do you mean by successor? Tell me.
Successor and predecessor means. Successor means one step.
Beta, I'm not asking predecessor. Whatever I'm asking, you have to answer only that. What do you mean by successor?
Successor means. Ma'am, successor means one step up. Ma'am, one
Yes.
step ahead.
Successor means the next number. You can say the next number.
Ma'am, after number. Predecessor means the. Ma'am, after number.
Now let me speak. Instead of speaking in Daksh Peljani, your mic should be off throughout. Okay? पूरे time mic on नहीं रहता है. Your mic is always on. Your video should be on and mic should be off. Ansh, open your video. Successor means the next number, the number which is coming next. Suppose a number if this is difficult, 3093999. अब इतने difficult का you want the answer of this question. ठीक है? You can do it directly also, and you can do it by using the addition also. How will you find out the successor of this number? You can do directly कैसे करोगे? 999 के बाद क्या आता है? 1000. So it will become 390. 1000 आ रहा है ना, तो 1001 यहाँ पर आ जाएगा, and 1000 will become like this. ठीक है? Like this you can also do. But if you don't know the successor of any number, which is very difficult, so what you can do, you can add 1 to the number at one place. आप 1 add कर दो बिल्कुल last में. 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10, comma 1 1 9 3 comma 9 1 comma 0 0 0. This is the answer. 3,91,000. देखो यही same number आ गया ना. And if you have to calculate a predecessor, suppose if I have to calculate a predecessor of 1 lakh, I don't know what will be the predecessor of 1 lakh. So what I can do, I can just subtract minus 1 from here. Okay. When I subtract minus 1 from, subtract 1 from it, it will become 10, it will become 10, it will become 9, then it will become 10, it will become 9 because it will give 10, 10 and 9. Will become 10 and 9 and it will become 0. Wait a second, bitches. Wait. Next it will be 5th period, right? 5th period, 7th day.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a second, let me share the link, then I'll talk to you. Wait a minute. Chalo, let's start. I will sharing next link. See. Predecessor 10 minus 1 9 9 9 9 9. Okay, so 99,000. If you don't know, अगर आपको आता है then you can do it directly. और अगर आपकी नहीं समझ आ रहा है तो successor के लिए you can add 1 और predecessor के लिए you can subtract 1 from the number. लेकिन निकालना -1 +1 हम units place पे ही करेंगे, यहाँ starting से मत कर देना. Okay, otherwise it will be wrong. All right, understood? So shall I start the next question?
Yes,
Shall we
ma'am.
start the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait. Okay. Open your Maths Fair notebooks, again a new page. Take out your Maths Fair notebooks, a new page.
Yeah.
Start doing this. Maths Fair notebook, new page. Write the successor and predecessor. Start doing it.
Ma'am, again start with a date.
Yes, you have to start with the date, obviously.
Ma'am, we can start with same page where
No,
we have-
Arslan. No. 1,000 times I told you, if I ask you from a new page, that means you have to start from a new page. Every time, Arslan, you ask this question. Such type of question, not this question, but same type of questions you ask me.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, please explain only one.
Please explain which one? Only one. Okay, okay. Okay, I'm explaining. Wait. See here. First number is successor. We have to write down the successor of 604209. What comes after 209? What comes after 209? 604. 209 के बाद क्या आता है? 210. Okay. What comes before 209 is 209. So 604, comma 209. 208, sorry. In predecessor column, you will write 208.
Ma'am, what is written in the third one, first number?
It's 999,998.
I'm done.
Okay, no need to send it because time is less. I said you the answers. No need to send the answers. Now let's see.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, I have.
No need to tell me. Okay, let us see this question. See, check your answers yourself because time is very less. So I'm telling you the answer. 1. See, time is very less. No need to share the answers. 1, comma, 2, 3, comma, and 5, 600 से पहले क्या आता है? 599. Okay, or 6. Sorry. Here it will be 601 and here it will be 60. See here, it will be 601.
601.
हाँ, इधर here it will be वेदांशु. अभी तो थे नहीं बेटा क्लास में. वेदांशु, अभी तो आप बेटा थे नहीं क्लास में. आपको
Yes, ma'am.
And do not put the comma also. I have put the comma by mistake. अभी तो थे नहीं आप क्लास में. आप क्लास में आ गए. आप you will are marked absent. Late comers will be marked absent. Okay. 9, 99, 999.